morning, people! Mga Virgin people ay patungo sa Virgin Island at nandito kami ngayon sa isang napakagandang lugar, napakalinis, napakakalma with our tour guide. Ayan, it's a blessing. Kaso lang di na namin makikita daw ang dolphins kasi maaga po silang lumalabas para lumangoy with the people. Ayan, thank you so much Lord for this blessing. Maraming salamat po. So meron kaming lookout. It's just like sa mission, palaging may nauuna to look over sa aming pupuntahan. At siya si Kuya, we do not know the name. So sa pagbimission, don't forget to look for people who will guide you to the right direction. At syempre, for us missionaries, we have to look for Jesus to guide us to right people. Kaya kami nakarating dito to continue with our mission. Gaano man kahirap, there will always be people to help us ease the pain and mag-e-effort para patuloy naming maramdaman ang pag-ibig despite of, and this is a great blessing na hindi lahat ay nakakamit ito, but we are so blessed. Maybe not for you this time, but for the next time, ikaw naman ang makapunta dito. So look at that, very clean, very nice. Napakalaking biyaya. Ano kayang iniisip ni Kuya? Diba? Siya talaga ang nasa front ko. Okay, ano kayang iniisip niya? So, kung ano man iniisip nga, pinagdadaanan mo today, always be positive. Merong magandang mangyayari para sa'yo because love is everywhere. God is love. Dadaling ka niya sa mga lugar, mga bagay, sa mga taong hindi mo inaakalang makakatulong sa iyong paglago bilang tao, bilang anak ng Diyos. Kaya, just be happy and be holy at the same time, even though it's not that easy. Life will always be better. And with that, bye-bye for now.